What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Buick LaCrosse remote key fob. This key fob is going to work on the 2010 to 2016 Buick LaCrosse, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find this replacement battery if you're in need. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and flip open the key blade. Then I'm going to turn it over so the buttons are facing down, and I'm going to come in that space that the key was tucked into, and I'm going to get a couple fingers in there like that and put my thumb down here and just kind of peel that back cover off like that. And then we see our battery right here, and you may be able to get your fingernail on the edge of that battery and get it out, but if not, you can grab a small flathead screwdriver and just use it to get on the edge of the battery and get it out of the holder. So we have our old battery out. We'll grab our new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first here. You can kind of see that plastic piece right there. It tucks behind. Tuck that piece in first, and then snap the battery down into place. And then we'll snap our back cover on, put our key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.